All right. Hi students, I am going to explain to you how to do some of the net force worksheets. That net force worksheet is found in your teams under assignments. Once you open the document, you should be able to type the answers right on it. If you need, use a calculator, it's fine. Calculators are found on the computers, or you can use your phone, or if you have a calculator at home. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is look at some examples so that you can do your worksheet. Right here, you have these arrows. If the arrows are pointing in the same direction, you will add them. Okay, so these are both pointing to the right, so we will add 10 plus 20. That gives you 30 newtons. And then you have to put a direction. What direction is 30 going? That would be to the right. If you really want to say east or west, that's fine too, but just give it a direction. You can even put a little arrow at the top if you want to do it that way. Okay, so the next one, if the arrows are going in the opposite direction, say they go towards, they go away, anytime they're not going in the same direction, you will subtract. Okay, so 20 minus 10 is 10. Now you don't get negative. You have to tell me what direction, which one is bigger. Say this person is pushing on something. They are pushing more than the other one, so they're gonna push it to the left, okay? So that's 10 newtons to the left, okay? And then number 3, now say you have multiple forces. You will add the ones that are the same, and then you get 9, because 5 plus 4 is 9. Now this one goes the opposite way. You subtract the 3 from the 9. Okay, by subtracting 9 minus 3, you get a total of 6 newtons. Now you have to figure out what direction. Because this one is going to the right and it's bigger, you would put that arrow that way to the right. And again, if the right and left confuses you, just put an arrow that shows you which way it is actually moving. Think of like pushing a box, playing tug of war, things like that. All right, now we have this one. This is on the Friday's worksheet. This one doesn't have any on this side, which means this side doesn't have any forces. So what it means is like, think of like 2 people. They're both pushing the box to the left. So if they're going in the same direction, you add them. 7 newtons, 5 plus 2 is 7. And which way are they going? This way, which means right. Okay? Now, oh, I'm sorry. Need to know my right and left. This is left. Okay? That's why I said if you need to use the arrow, and you don't even have to write right and left. Okay? This one here, instead of boxes, we have words. So you can make a box, put a little box here, just like that. You're gonna go 200 newtons right. Okay, 200 newtons to the right. That's 200. 98 newtons left. Okay? And again, they're going opposite. So you subtract 200 minus 98. And at this point, if you need a calculator, go ahead and get a calculator. Okay? And it should be 202 newtons.
No, that's 102.
Oh, I forgot to borrow. This is why we need calculators. Miss House is telling me I had the wrong answer. So now we have to figure out this one's bigger, so it's going this way, which is right. Okay? All right, last example. So you have some written responses on Friday, or word answers. So a girl pulls a cart with a force of 7 newtons east. So you could put a little box. She's pulling it, and you can make east, whichever one, it doesn't matter, is another boy pushes it with a force of 2 east. So they're both going east. So if you say this is east, they're going the same. This is 7 in, this is 2 in. So they're both going the same way. You just simply add 7 plus 2. That gives you 9 newtons. And that is east, because we just had the same direction. Now, if this said east and west, you would subtract because they're opposite directions, okay? Hopefully this helps you and explains some of the work that you have to do on your worksheet. If you have questions, email us and let us know, and we can try to help you out. All right, see you later.